you drink this orange juice right here, you can taste the orange. You drink this.
I'm waiting. They're not giving it out till March.
It tastes like orange. Like it tastes like an actual orange, the fruit. In America, when you drink an orange juice, it don't taste like orange, like an actual fruit. It tastes like a juice. It tastes like some, like a sugary, like a made drink that they just call it orange juice. But this actually tastes like juice, like orange juice. That it tastes like actual fruit. Come to Mexico and get you a real orange juice.
Hey, you know when you just want to dream big, you can't let nobody hold you down, man. Don't let nobody stop you from what you're trying to achieve in life, man.
Good morning. The boy just woke up, man. Thank you for, I forgot her name, Gladia? I think Gladia or something. She's cleaning up that place now. So I just woke up, man. I'm out here in Mexico, man. I've officially moved to Mexico. This isn't where I'm about to be staying necessarily right now, but when we head over to the new spot tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll show you guys the actual place. I'm actually doing a house tour video, so you guys can stay tuned for it. This is it, man. We out here in Mexico, about to start a whole new chapter in life. Let's get it, my boy Kelvin, a couple other people I met out here. It's a whole little community of people out here, man. Check it out. Let's get it. Let's go, gang.
This is what keeps me alive. I'm sitting here sweating, which is not a bad thing, but it's the dedication I put into making sure that when I make it, we all make it. But if you make it, we all bring each other up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had a super swamped day today. I got one of my best teammates, my team cleaner. She cleaned 3 of my house. Everyone else is busy, and she had to go at 9. And she's coming back at 9 in the morning to help me finish this. I just got recently. This place was trash. I started 2 days ago, still a lot. We're doing 2 more days. And it's like, I don't have to do this. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm the, quote unquote, the CEO, the owner. You know, but people have time. I respect people's time. And like, hey, you can go home at 9. You know, even if it's not done. I'm like, yeah, you can go home at 9. You've worked 3 houses for me today. You know, and I got Kelvin here. I asked him to do a favor to come stay here. We go stay at my penthouse. Same with my girl, Karen. I told her like, hey, stay at the penthouse, and then something happened down here, and it's like I'm making sure that they're gonna have a clean shower tonight. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, just things that motivates me. You know, taking care of each other. You know, it's not about money. It's like, hey, I said something, do something for somebody, you take care of that person. You know, so your word is everything. I don't know, it just felt good to really just be dedicated. I'm like, I'm busting out a shower right now. I'm like, man, I just made $15,000 this week, and I'm scrubbing a fucking shower in Mexico. The fuck? But you know, I'm doing it because I'm dedicated to take care of my people. You know what I'm saying? So you lead by example. So you know what I'm saying? I'm here cleaning the spot with the cleaners and everything. And it's like we're a team. You know, there's no one's bigger than anybody. We need everyone together. You know, one person, fingers together, make a fist. More power. And we out. Sorry.
Money off of everything. Y'all, the pizza just got in. It's early morning. Shout out to Karen. Thanks, Karen, for getting the pizza.
Yeah.
Woo!
You know what I mean?
Man.
It's from Cafe, what was it called?
I don't know. It looked good, though.
What's the place called, baby? What's the place called again? The place, what was it called, restaurant?
Yes, Chester's.
Chester's, all right, cool. All right, cool. Yo.
I don't know. Why do you Google Maps if you're to Chester's?
I was gonna see. You about to take a bite?
So with the Chester's Pizza, Playa del Carmen, Mexico, you know the rules, one bite only. Let's see how it is.
Oh. Ooh, is it hot? It look hot as hell.
Wow.
The way you eating it. It look good though.
Wow.
Woo! It's good. Oh, I'm excited. Let's get in.
But I ain't no Southern Texan. Who got you expecting in this game? Look how you stepping. Look at this and repentance is the way I come out blessing. GGCG, baby. Price game, be my weapon. Pop a couple favors so you know I'm Detroit, baby. I gotta keep them tinted, only rockin' oil frames. This is his name, but I'm into this rap game. I'm just certified, I heard about him through his fame. And when I say his name, sinking for that holy flame. Now it's time to go berserk. Discernment in your spirit, you can clearly see the hurt. The pain is like a virus beating deep within the shirt. Your body going numb, Jesus Christ, you must insert. Yeah. God dang, ain't nobody really flipping. Iceberg, so you know that we be tipping. They only want the money, so you better not be sipping. You know I got the game, I'll be on my Scotty Pippen. Turn like I'm praising in the church. Keep the courage, keep it shit like a purge. The call me kinda crazy, but I ain't a little bird. You do it for the fun, but I do it for the church. God ain't nobody really fucking. Iceberg, so you know that we be tipping. They only want the money, so you better not be sipping. You know I got that game, now we almost got the pippin'. Turn like I'm praising in the church.
Here's the fly now. Hey. Let's rock it now. Hey. So, here's the roast. Hey.
Half a pack, this or that, you ready to smash. All my girls on my side. I'm not gonna get in there.
Hey.
No strings attached, so too much water, bro. The motherfucking camelback. I have hustle for my breakfast and bridging for my midnight snack. When I chicken dinner, hash the eggs and serve it. Woo! Just keep it moving, know what the fuck I'm doing. Every time I be playing stupid, sneaky link. They should kill me. In the north, south, yeah. I just keep it moving. Deposit, or deposit, or the safe. I'ma be in top rank. I don't care what you think. Get this money syntax. I go buy the breaks. I know how to get it back.
Hey.
Treat him, give him
Pack a bag, this or that.
My girl was on my side. I'm not gonna get in there. No strings attached. Too much water, bro. The motherfucking camelback water. Hustle for my breakfast. I'm reaching for my midnight snack. When that chicken dinner has the eggs and serve it.
That shit dope.
Those bitches don't even. I mean, you get a real. I don't know. I guess. I mean, I still like do my thing, but it's like when you have like your junk with you, bro. You don't even think about. I don't really think about those.
Yeah, that's why it's good being in a relationship when you a faithful
man.
type guy. Like I don't be thinking about other women at all like that.
It takes my energy.
When you got your own woman.
Yeah,
like, I don't care about the rest. All I need is one. You know what I'm saying?
When my junk not with me, bro, I gotta have substitute teachers. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I can't. Like, I ain't sitting in the class for teaching that fuck out of here. You know? Hell no.
Yo, just hopped into the new spot, y'all. This is where I'm be staying at, man. Check it out. Try to shoot a video up in here. I'm gonna do a quick house tour. Y'all stay tuned. We'll be back.
Gotta go to Madres. Gonna have some fucking nice ass breakfast, dude. Nice breakfast burrito, bagels, some good ass shit, man. Fifth Avenue. Brah.
My man Kevin got me out here. My boy Angel got me out here.
I'm starving.
We're getting ready to grab us some good old breakfast to ease into this morning.
It's some really nice Cali breakfast.
And it's
This friend
beautiful.
from Cali makes nice tacos, but it's breakfast infused. But I should bang it. I messed it all up, but it's banging though. Keyword, banging.
Banging. Let's get it. Let's see what this food, y'all. Let's see what it's about. Enough talking, man.
Look at that water. You can't buy this water. But you can come to Playa though. You can come to Playa and get this water.
Kind of flying. What?
Get this water. Water.
El próximo jueves vamos a abrir también, güey. Ya está haciendo la operación, así que tenemos que sacarnos.
Rice, Carmen.
¿Una qué? ¿Se va?
Hola. Nice to meet you.
Vamos allá arriba por sus actividades, hacer tortillas y su pedo.
Here?
Y, o sea, lo ideal sería que si hacen eso, las cosas que se van a dar, tendría que hacerlas a mano, güey.
Oh, no, move. Oh, damn.
Porque es más pedo, más panchero, más tiempo y todo. Entonces, se echa, ya no vamos a calentarla. Ya sea de color, roja, negra, verde, ya ves que hay diferentes tipos de corn.
All right,
Bueno.
we here.
You make noise everywhere we go.
Sí, 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 güey.
Third day
Voy a comer
in
algo.
Mexico.
Buen día.
Playa del Carmen. Just out here chilling, man. Today,
Dude, no.
Oh, I was hurt.
Oh, you got the rush.
Yeah, dude.
Rush.
This would be the new
Mexico.
It would be my personal favorite spot.
you get you a good fresh orange juice. Now, when you drink this orange juice right here,
It's like
here,
go ham and fries.
you can taste the orange. You drink this,
I'm waiting. They're not giving him out till March.
it tastes like orange. Like it tastes like an actual orange, the fruit. In America, when you drink an orange juice, it don't taste like orange, like an actual fruit. It tastes like a juice. It tastes like like a sugary, like a made drink that they just call it orange juice. But this actually tastes like juice, like orange juice. That it tastes like actual fruit. Come to Mexico and get you a real orange juice, man.
Right now, trying to get.
What's up? This is Juan from this cafe. Whenever you guys in Playa, this is a spot to be at. Best breakfast in town. Guaranteed. Guaranteed.
What we got out here, man?
We're on 8th Street between 5th Ave and Playa del Carmen. Yeah.
See that shirt? Turn around. Let me see that shirt.
Yeah. There you go.
Best breakfast bagels in Playa. Best breakfast bagels in Playa.
Yes, sir.
Y'all gonna see the food when the food come out.
I don't know.
You see that breakfast bagel, boy? You see that thing, and you get a little sriracha sauce right there.
Whoa. How this feeling?
All right, I'll see y'all later. I'll eat.
Waffle. Ooh, nothing like some good syrup.
Yep.
We got some syrup. Got a cigarette, waffles. Over there got his food.
Juan, you gotta dip it in that fucking chipotle sauce. Fucking banging.
Wrap the other one up since he said it was for later.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that's the burrito? I forgot I ordered the burrito. You wanna split this? You wanna split it? Oh, okay.
There's always time to fucking grow, man.
Right, always time to grow, man. I was just telling my man Angel here, man. If you got your U.S. passport, that's already a huge key to the world compared to a lot of other countries' passports, man. But if you got YouTube and you got a U.S. passport,
Do it up.
you can do it up, man. You get so many opportunities from businesses, companies all over the world because you're a walking billboard, man. You're a walking billboard. You're giving all these people opportunity. When people see these videos, they can come out and they can enjoy and experience, places like this here. Hey, they're right there.
I'm still eating.
Damn it strong, man.
Woo! This angle. MCV. Chris. Mexico edition. Shit. So we got the indoor slippers and the outdoor slippers. Little storage. White boys. One room. I'm home! Ah!
He said, I'm home.
We are home, baby. Took a little break, but we back. Time to inspire. Time to get higher.
Hey, we out here, man. Playa del Carmen. I check out the beach, y'all. There's a beach right there. That's the Atlantic.
Ocean.
Atlantic.
Ocean.
The clouds just rolled in, y'all, so it looks like we might get a little rain, but don't worry, we're gonna give y'all a house tour on a nice, beautiful, sunny day.
That's
That's a nice spot.
Yeah, right here with the hammock.
Computer and stuff.
Go ahead. I did one time, bro. Good thing I got up here. It started raining. It's in Palapas. Water can leak, so I gotta get either a cover, but I'm gonna put, instead of doing that, I'm gonna put tables over here to cover on top because it's not worth it. Cause like I literally about to use the bathroom, but I got a phone call. I came back to press the laptop. And I noticed, oh shit, it's raining on my laptop.
And it was like leaking.
Yeah, if I just went, if I get that phone call, bro, went downstairs, boy, I had nobody to blame but my own self. And the bonsai tree right here, I didn't get it yet, but I'm bringing it up with a bonsai tree right here. It's a certain kind. There's like almost 10 to 20 different bonsai trees. You know, they're all symbols of life and growth. Everyone's different, but they're all the same. That's what bonsai is so unique, and they last forever. You know what I'm saying? They had this around, they been around. So,
Bonsai.
yeah. So I feel Japanese or Asian culture. Don't quote me this, but which country it is, but they bless the house. You know what I'm saying? The neighbor with the bonsai tree. So you know. I'm going to bless Playa del Carmen with a nice bonsai right here. Watch that baby grow. And once it gets big enough, we're going to plant it in this cenote so it's here forever. Cenote is the sacred hole. Cenote means sacred hole. So, you know, nice water down there. Blessed.
Yeah, y'all heard it from the man himself, man. I'm just here for the ride.
Oh, man. Yeah, we done. Oh, shit. Okay.
God gang, ain't nobody really flipping. Icebergs say you know that we be tipping. They only want the money, so you better not be simping. You know I got the game, I be on my Scottie Pippen. Turn like I'm praising in the church. I keep the birds chirping, Cupid shuffle on the perch. Could call me Kanye